Hi everyone! Today we're going to look at the Lego Friends Puppies Playhouse. It's recommended for ages 5 through 12 and it comes with 39 pieces. Here's the bag of pieces. And it comes with this flyer that has instructions and also other sets that you can buy. Now I've just divided up the pieces. This is for the little seesaw, the puppy's playhouse. Here's our puppy, and here's some extra pieces. So here's a look at our little puppy. We just need to add this little bow to the top of her head. And it's supposed to only come with one bone, but we got an extra one, so we'll add those both to her bowl. Now we just need to put the seesaw together. And now we'll make the puppy's playhouse. Now we'll add the top of the house. Now these little flowers here. And there we have the puppy's playhouse. Since we have some extra parts here, I'm going to add another little flower. There we go. Do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do, whoo-wee. Flowers. Ooh, bones. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Oh no, puppy, what are you doing? Don't dig up the flowers.